Hello YouTube, just want to show you an overview of the mod that I've done today in terms of turning off the 12 volt cigarette lighter and the USB ports when the ignition is off. So in this Skoda Fabia 2016 Monte Carlo edition, normally with the ignition off, so with the keys out of the ignition, the 12 volt socket still runs. So with this little mod, this piggyback mod that I've done today, I actually managed to do it. So pin 44, which is the 12 volt socket, and then I piggybacked off from 24, which is the blower pin, piggybacked into 15, and everything works fine. Thank you.